Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 16 notifications not working or not showing on the iPhone lock screen. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, disable focus or do not disturb mode from your iPhone. So for this, open control center and then tap on the this icon to turn this off. So after disabling focus mode or do not disturb mode on your iPhone, then after this the next solution is disable notification summary. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on notifications, tap on schedule summary. So tap to turn off schedule summary. So after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. Slide to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open lock screen here, and then after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So for this, after updating your iPhone, reset, the last solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, open setting, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, and then tap on reset all settings, enter passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.